Did you know there's a natural and effective way to relieve joint pain that few people know about? Imagine living without the pain that limits your movements, without relying on expensive medications or invasive treatments. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that the answer to a pain-free life could be in a powerful herb that many of us have at home but don't know how to use correctly? In this video, we will reveal this surprising and natural solution to transform your joint health. Joint pain is a problem that affects millions of people around the world. Whether due to age, injuries, or even inflammatory conditions like arthritis, this pain can severely limit our daily activities. Climbing stairs becomes a challenge. Walking in the park with your grandchildren? Almost impossible. That constant feeling of pain and stiffness in the knees, hips, or hands. Have you ever felt it? Or do you know someone who does? If so, you know how frustrating and exhausting it can be. Now imagine being able to do all those activities more easily and without pain. And what if I told you there is a natural solution that can help you regain your mobility and improve your quality of life? Natural solution. Well, it's time to talk about something few people know. Medicinal herbs. That's right. There are powerful plants that, when used correctly, can help reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and improve joint health in a remarkable way. But hold on, we're not talking about just any plant. There's a specific group of herbs that have shown impressive results for joint health. Want to know which ones they are? Stay with me and find out how these herbs can transform your life. Introduction to the herbs and their properties. Let's talk now about each of these herbs and their unique properties that can help you achieve a pain-free life. Turmeric. Rich in curcumin, turmeric is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies show it can be as effective as some medications in relieving joint pain. In addition to reducing inflammation, turmeric also helps prevent damage to joint cells by promoting cellular regeneration. The best ways to consume it are in teas, capsules, or by adding it to meals, such as soups, stews, and meat seasonings. Ginger. Another powerful natural anti-inflammatory, ginger helps reduce pain and swelling in the joints. It contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger also improves blood circulation, which can help alleviate stiffness and pain associated with inflamed joints. It can be consumed fresh in powdered form as tea or added to juices and hot dishes. Boswellia. Also known as Indian frankincense, Boswellia has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to treat inflammatory conditions. It works by blocking leukotrienes, substances that attack healthy joints in autoimmune diseases. Boswellia is particularly effective in cases of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, helping improve joint flexibility and reduce chronic pain. It can be found in capsule or extract form. Devil's claw. Native to Africa, this plant is known for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies suggest that devil's claw can be effective in treating osteoarthritis and other rheumatic conditions, helping to reduce discomfort and improve joint mobility. Additionally, it can be used to treat lower back and muscle pain. The plant is generally consumed in the form of capsules, tablets, or tea. Cherry. Cherries contain anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Additionally, these fruits are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, one of the factors that contribute to joint inflammation. Cherry juice is a popular way to consume them, but they can also be eaten fresh or dried. Nettle. Despite its bad reputation as a weed, nettle is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds such as histamine and flavonoids, which help decrease inflammation and joint pain. Nettle is also an excellent source of vitamins and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and iron, which are essential for bone and joint health. It can be consumed as tea, a supplement, or even added to soups and salads. Ginseng. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginseng can also help improve immune function, benefiting joint health. Ginseng reduces the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are responsible for causing inflammation and pain. In addition, it helps increase energy and combat fatigue, which can be particularly helpful for those suffering from chronic pain. It can be consumed as tea, extract, or capsules. Licorice root. This root has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation in the joints. Glycyrrhizin, one of the main active compounds in licorice root, has an effect similar to corticosteroids, but without the side effects of these drugs. In addition to teas, licorice root can also be consumed in capsule or liquid extract form. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants, especially catechins, green tea helps combat inflammation and protect joint cartilage. It also contains polyphenols, which help reduce cartilage wear and slow the progression of degenerative conditions like osteoarthritis. Besides being consumed as tea, green tea can also be found in supplement form. Mullein. Known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, mullein can help reduce joint pain when used in tea or supplement form. It is particularly effective for relieving muscle and joint pain due to its relaxing properties, which help alleviate muscle spasms and improve circulation. In addition to tea, mullein can also be found as an essential oil for topical use. If you're enjoying content like this, help us reach 1,000 subscribers by subscribing to the channel right now and activating the notification bell. We're counting on you to make this goal happen. Common mistakes that worsen joint pain. Many of us unknowingly make daily mistakes that can worsen joint pain. Here are some behaviors in foods we should avoid. Processed foods and high sugar content. Sodas, sweets, and fast food contain high levels of sugars and artificial sweeteners that promote inflammation by raising blood glucose levels. These foods can also cause an increase in inflammatory markers, exacerbating joint pain. Additionally, frequent consumption of processed foods can lead to weight gain, putting more pressure on the joints. Trans and saturated fats. Fried foods, margarine, and some commercially baked goods contain trans and saturated fats that increase inflammation levels. These fats can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries and increase the risk of heart disease, as well as inflamed joint tissue. Prolonged inflammation can lead to chronic conditions and worsen joint problems such as arthritis. Red and processed meats. Products like sausages, bacon, and red meat are high in saturated fats and inflammatory compounds, such as advanced glycation end products, AGs. These compounds form when meat is cooked at high temperatures and can trigger inflammatory responses in the body, worsening pain and stiffness in the joints. Monosodium glutamate, MSG. MSG is a common food additive found in processed foods and some restaurant dishes. In some people, consuming MSG can provoke an inflammatory response, increasing joint pain. People sensitive to MSG may experience more intense symptoms, such as headaches, swelling, and widespread pain, including in the joints. High salt foods. Excessive salt in the diet can lead to fluid retention, increasing blood volume and pressure on the joints, which can worsen pain. Foods like chips, canned soups, and cured meats typically contain high sodium levels. Additionally, high salt intake can contribute to hypertension, which is associated with a higher risk of chronic inflammation. High glycemic index foods. Foods like white bread, pasta, and refined cereals quickly raise blood sugar levels, promoting an inflammatory state in the body. Elevated sugar levels can trigger the release of inflammatory cytokines, which worsen joint pain. Diets high in refined carbohydrates are also associated with a greater risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis. Dairy products. Some people may have inflammatory reactions to dairy products, especially high-fat ones like cheese and butter. In sensitive individuals, proteins such as casein can trigger inflammation and increase joint pain. Opting for plant-based milk alternatives, such as almond or oat milk, can be a better option for those experiencing this type of inflammation. If you're enjoying content like this, help us reach 1,000 subscribers by subscribing to the channel right now and activating the notification bell. We're counting on you to make this goal happen. Anti-inflammatory and nutritious foods to relieve joint pain. In addition to avoiding foods that can worsen joint pain, it is essential to include anti-inflammatory and nutritious foods in your diet. These foods help reduce inflammation and improve joint health. Let's explore some of them. Omega-3 rich fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have proven anti-inflammatory properties. These fish help reduce joint stiffness and relieve pain. Fruits and vegetables, especially those rich in antioxidants such as berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, broccoli. These foods fight free radicals in the body, which can cause inflammation and cellular damage. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats and antioxidants. They help reduce inflammation and provide essential nutrients for joint health. Extra virgin olive oil. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil is an excellent source of healthy monounsaturated fats. It contains a compound called oleocanthal, which acts similarly to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, helping to reduce pain and inflammation. Now that you know about these powerful herbs and are aware of common mistakes that can worsen joint pain, how about trying these natural solutions? But remember, before adding any supplements or changing your diet, consult a healthcare professional to find the best options for your specific case.